Hey y'all, I thought you'd be interested in seeing how I included this recording here on my discussion forum in Canvas. The way you do that is you just go right here to record and hit upload record media. Click the record button here and you'll want to turn off your camera, or I do anyway. And then you just start recording. When you're done, you finish it. See, it's recording and then you finish it, or you can start over. Sometimes when you hit start over, the webcam would come back up, and just turn it back on and turn it back off and it will stop. And this is what it looks like right here. This little box actually pops up over here on the left. I just clicked the box and went over here to format. I hit align and I put it over towards the right. And that is the instructions. Right here is the audio of me talking about how to do this rhetorical analysis post. Right here I have my rubric, and all the student has to do is hit play and they'll hear my voice. Come on in.
Post. You need to read The Little Seagull on Personal Narratives.
Okay, so that's how to do that.